Hello, I'm Petros Grivas. I'm a medical oncologist at the Seattle Cancer Care Alliance, an associate professor at the University of Washington, associate member at the Fred Hutchinson Cancer Research Center. I'm very excited to be talking to you today about the innovative, practice-changing clinical trials that we're doing at the Seattle Cancer Care Alliance, University of Washington, and Fred Hutch. There is a plethora of clinical trials going on right now in the country, and many trials are open at our institution. The clinical trials can vary in terms of phase. Phase 1 clinical trials are evaluating the safety of a particular compound, like first-in-human dose escalation or dose expansion trials. Phase 2 trials are evaluating the efficacy of what we think are safe doses. And Phase 3 are comparing those innovative therapies to the existing standard of care. Clinical trials are very important for the patient, can provide access to innovative therapies, and also for the society because generate important knowledge to move the field forward. It's very important to think about that every treatment we use nowadays in clinical practice has come from clinical trials. So clinical trials is an essential, important, and necessary step to treat the patients and also improve the knowledge in the field. There is significant concern about underrepresentation of minorities in clinical trials, and it's very important to try as much as possible to provide equal access to clinical trials and important innovative therapies across races, ethnicities, and different other factors, ages, and so on and so forth, to ensure equitable healthcare. Moreover, we have examples like the Javelin Bladder 100 trial that actually was open at the Seattle Cancer Care Alliance, UW Fred Hutch, that changed clinical practice. This specific trial, called Javelin Bladder 100, was particularly in patients with metastatic urothelial cancer and showed that immunotherapy, when it's given after chemotherapy in a switch maintenance fashion in patients with response or stable disease to prior induction chemotherapy, patients who got immunotherapy in that setting as switch maintenance live longer, and this definitely led to FDA approval of this particular immunotherapy drug called avelumab after platinum-based chemotherapy in a switch maintenance setting. There are many other examples, and we're very, very proud that we have leading roles in national and international clinical trials here, along with my colleagues, across all cancer types. During the pandemic, we make every effort to keep everybody safe, patients, providers, staff, and we have done our best to try to keep clinical trials open when it was safe and appropriate. We look forward to a bright future, and we believe that continuing clinical trials is a great way to improve patient care and help the society, and we do want to help the patients and partner with you by ensuring an optimal collaborative partnership and dialogue and communication in order to facilitate the best patient care in this journey. So partnering with community oncologists and other academic centers is part of our mission, and of course we want to optimize patient care, also do translational research and biomarker work, working together with colleagues in the laboratory to move the field forward. So we'll emphasize again, we do try our best to help our patients through innovative clinical trial designs, and hope we can continue this mission, and would like to ask for your help discussing with us which patients are appropriate for clinical trials. I would like to thank you for your attention, and please stay safe in this pandemic. Thank you.